हेलो दोस्तों, मोस्ट वेलकम टू इंडियन एग्री कोर्स चैनल। जैसे कि आप सभी को पता है, नेशनल सीड कॉरपोरेशन का एग्जाम की डेट आ चुकी है और नेशनल सीड कॉरपोरेशन की जो एग्जाम डेट है वो 25 नवंबर और 26 नवंबर है। तो इसी बीच जो एग्जाम क्रैक करने के लिए, प्रिपरेशन के लिए आपके पास बहुत ही कम टाइम है, बहुत ही लिमिटेड टाइम है। तो दोस्तों, लग जाओ तैयारी करने में। तो स्टार्ट करते हैं मल्टीपल चॉइस क्वेश्चन से, जिसमें हम डेली 90 से लेके 100 क्वेश्चन तक की एक्सरसाइज करेंगे। फर्स्ट क्वेश्चन है, दी एग्रोनॉमी वर्ड इज derived from English, Greek, French and Latin word. The right answer is B. Now, father of agronomy is Petro de Crescenzi. Next, agronomy is known as soil management without deteriorating the soil fertility. The right answer is B. The next question is Green Revolution term related to food grain production. The right answer is B. Oil seed production is related to yellow revolution and milk production is related to white revolution and manures and fertilizers are related to gray revolution. Next question is silver fiber revolution term related to the option B is the right option, the cotton production, and the poultry egg production is the silver revolution. Meat and potato production is related to red revolution and fish production is known as blue revolution. Next question is rainbow revolution term related to the option B is the right answer is overall agriculture production. The potato production is known as by the name of round revolution and prawn or onion revolution is known as pink revolution. Reduction in wastage of food grains, fruits and vegetables is known as our green revolution. Okay. The next question is golden fiber revolution term related to jute production. Non-conventional energy source is known as brown revolution. Biofuel production or jatropha production is known as black revolution and okra production is known as Parbhani revolution. Okay. Next question is father of green revolution in India. Father of green revolution in India is M.S. Swaminathan. वर्ड में कौन है? डॉक्टर नॉर्मन ई बोरलॉग. And the father of white revolution is Verghese Kurien and father of protein revolution is known as Narendra Modi and Arun Jaitley, and it is the technology driven second green revolution. Next question is father of golden revolution is Nefertutes. The same Pitroda is the father of Yellow Revolution and Arun Krishnan is the father of Blue Revolution, Dr. Arun Krishnan. Okay. And the Pink Revolution father is Durgesh Patel. Next question is father of Silver Revolution is Indira Gandhi. Vishal Tiwari is the father of Red Revolution and father of ecology is Rater, and Theophrastus is the father of botany. Next question is, border strip irrigation is followed in the crop. The right option is wheat crop. Next question is, flood irrigation is followed in the crop. The option is rice, jute. The option C is the right answer. Both rice and jute crop के अंदर हम क्या कर सकते हैं, फ्लड इरिगेशन दे सकते हैं. Next है, surge irrigation method is followed in the crop maize and sorghum. The right option is maize and sorghum. Next is the check basin method of irrigation is followed in the crops finger millet, groundnut, pulses, and the right option is D, all of the above. Now, the father of tillage is known as Jethro Tull, and father of statistic is R.A. Fisher, and E.A. Sidghi is the father of hybrid seed in India, and H.S. Bennett is the father of soil conservation. Okay. Next is, National Seed Corporation was set up in India. The right option is B, in 1963. The next question is, loose smut is controlled by the seed treatment. The option C is the right answer. Next question is, which of the following diseases induce floral abnormalities? White rust of the crucifers, green ear of bajra, downy mildew of mustard. The right option D, both A and B, white rust of crucifers and green ear of bajra. The next question is, the book Horse Hoeing Husbandry was written by Jethro Tull. The right option is B. The next question is, the objectional weed of seed production of wheat is. The right option is A, Convolvulus arvensis. The next question is, obligate weeds are. Example, Anaglis. Option B, Chenopodium, and option C, both A and B. The right option is C. Next question is, associated weed of wheat crop are Chenopodium, Phlaris minor, Avena fajua. The right option is D, B and C, Phlaris minor and Avena fajua. The next question is, white blisters of crucifers is caused by pathogen. Option A, Sclerospora sorghii, and option C is the right answer is Albugo candida. Next question is, what is the minimum germination percentage of wheat seeds? 85%, 90%, 80%, 80% and 75%. इसमें क्या है कि जो आंसर है, राइट आंसर क्या है? ए, 85%. जो 90% है, 90% किसके लिए है? मेज के लिए, जो कि आता है इनब्रीड लाइन से अलग है. जो इनब्रीड लाइन है उसके लिए कितनी मॉइस्चर परसेंटेज चाहिए? 80%. और पैडी के लिए कितनी चाहिए? 80%. राइस, बार्ले एंड ओट के लिए कितनी चाहिए? 80%. एंड सोरगम और रागी के लिए कितनी चाहिए? 75% जर्मिनेशन परसेंटेज चाहिए. ओके. नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन इज, which one of the following crops has CRI, means crown root initiation, as critical irrigation stage? The right option is B, wheat crop. The next question is, the critical stages of irrigation for different crops like sorghum and pearl millet के लिए है booting and flowering stage, rice में पेनिकल इनिशिएशन, फ्लैग लीफ और मिल्की स्टेज पे इरिगेशन एप्लीकेशन बोथ ही मोस्ट इंपोर्टेंट है। मेज के लिए टेसलिंग एंड सिल्किंग स्टेज, ग्राउंडनट के लिए पैग फॉर्मेशन, पैग पेनिट्रेशन एंड पोड डेवलपमेंट स्टेज, कॉटन के लिए स्क्वेयर फॉर्मेशन एंड बोल फॉर्मेशन एंड डेवलपमेंट स्टेज, कैन के लिए कैन फॉर्मेशन स्टेज एंड सनफ्लावर के लिए हेड फॉर्मेशन एंड अर्ली ग्रेन फिलिंग स्टेज, सोयाबीन क्रॉप के लिए फ्लावरिंग एंड पोड फिलिंग स्टेज मोस्ट इंपोर्टेंट है, और मस्टर्ड के लिए फ्लावरिंग एंड सिलिक्वार डेवलपमेंट स्टेज बहुत ही मोस्ट इंपोर्टेंट स्टेज है। नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन है, हेट्रोडेरा एवेने इज लेंस नेमाटोड, सिस्ट नेमाटोड, रूट नोट नेमाटोड एंड लेसन नेमाटोड? द राइट ऑप्शन इज बी, सिस्ट नेमाटोड। Next question is, optimum depth of sowing of crops depend on option A, coleoptile length, option B, seed reserve, and option C, seed size. The option D is the right answer. Next question is, which of the following is growth promoter? First, option A, auxin, gibberellin, cytokinin. The option D is the right answer. Now, the next question is, which among the group of growth substances is growth retardant? Ethylene, cycocel, abscisic acid. Option D is the right answer. The next question is, richest source of protein among the food grain crops are? The right option is C, pulses crop. Protein and oil content of soybean crop is 45 and 25%, 25 and 45%, 30 and 35%. The right option is A. 45% इसमें क्या है, प्रोटीन, और 25% इसमें क्या है, oil content. Okay. The next question is, which crop is known as oilseed cum fiber crop? The right option is B, linseed crop. The next question is, dimethoate is A, option A, fumigant, option B, herbicide insecticide, and herbicide and insecticide. Next is systemic insecticide. The right option is C. ये यहाँ पे गलत दिया हुआ है, इसको हम लिख सकते हैं सिस्टेमिक हर्बिसाइड. ओके. नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन है, सुगरकेन इज सेंसिटिव टू एसिडिक सॉइल्स, सैलाइन सॉइल्स, सोडिक सॉइल्स, एंड ऑप्शन डी इज द राइट आंसर. The next question is, staple length of long staple cotton is? The right option is C, 25.4 mm. The next question is, soil water potential or permanent wilting point is? या जो परमानेंट विल्टिंग पॉइंट है उसके ऊपर जो वाटर का पोटेंशियल है, किस एनर्जी के साथ वाटर हेल्ड है सोयल पार्टिकल्स के साथ, वो कितना है, -15 बार. नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन है, द हायर LD50 वैल्यू इंडिकेट्स द टॉक्सिसिटी. द राइट ऑप्शन इज लेस toxicity. Option another question is, 1 hectare meter is equal to meter cube of water. The right option is B, 10,000 meter cube of water. The next question is, fruit fly lays egg on the plant parts, roots, flowers. Option C, lower surface of leaves. The right answer is C, lower surface of leaves. Next question is, which method of soil moisture measurement is quick and requires minimum equipment? Is tensiometer. Option B, alcohol burning method. The option B is the right answer. The next question is, crop sensitive to salinity and water logging is? castor, option B sesamum, option C rice, option D sunflower. The right option is sesamum. The next question is growing period for dry farming. Less than 75 days. Option B 75 to 120 days. Option C greater than 120 days. Option D none of the above. The right answer is A, less than 75 days. Okay. And for dry लैंड फार्मिंग के लिए कितने हैं ग्रोइंग डेज 75 टू 120 डेज और ये किसके लिए हैं रेन फेड फार्मिंग के लिए ओके द नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन इज a production function with unitary elasticity indicates constant returns, increasing returns, decreasing returns, and none of the above. The right option is A, constant returns. Option and the question is next question is rainy day is one the day which receives greater than how much of rainfall. The right option is B, 2.5 rainfall. And the next question is crop rainy day is one the day which receives more than of rainfall. The option C is the right answer. The next question is the soil erosion is the process. Option A, transportation of soil particles. Option B, detachment of soil particles and transportation. Option C, detachment of soil particles. Option D, none of these. The option C, B is the right answer. सबसे पहले soil particle detach होंगे, उसके बाद उनका क्या होगा? Transportation होगा. Next question is seed lot certificate color is red or yellow, orange or green, pink or red, purple or green. The right option is B, orange or green. The next question is relationship between intensity of rainfall and soil loss is option A curvilinear, option B linear, and option C exponential, and option D all of these. तो इसके अंदर जो राइट ऑप्शन है वो क्या है एक्सपोनेंशियल ऑप्शन सी. The next question is initial stage of wind erosion is surface creep. Option B saltation, option C suspension, and option D none of these. The right answer is saltation. Next question is intercropping will increase the light interception of option A 30 to 40% is the right answer. Next question is growing legumes is advantageous because option A extract insoluble soil phosphorus, option B fix atmospheric nitrogen, option C absorb more divalent cations, and option D is the right option. जितने भी ऊपर वाले ऑप्शंस हैं वो सभी क्या हैं राइट है. नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन इज most efficiently nitrogen utilizing crop. Option A groundnut, option B potato, option C jute, option D rice. The right option is C. Jute crop utilize nitrogen very efficiently. The next question is most efficiently phosphorus utilizing crop is option C jute. Next question is most efficiently for potassium utilizing crop is the right option is A groundnut. Next, crop lodging is first tested in the crop. First option groundnut, option B sugarcane, option C jute, option D rice. The right option is sugarcane crop. The next question is the criteria of essentiality concept was given by Stott. Option B or none, C both A and B. The right option is C. अर्नन और स्टोट ने क्या दिया था क्राइटेरिया ऑफ एसेंशियलिटी की कंसेप्ट दी थी। The next question is, what is the average value of solar constant? The option A 2.94 joule per centimeter square per minute, option B 1.94 joule per centimeter square per minute, option C 1.94 calorie per centimeter square per minute। ये किसकी यूनिट है? सोलर कांस्टेंट की। ओके, और ये इसकी जो एवरेज वैल्यू है वो कितनी है? 1.94। The next question is unit of photosynthetically active radiation, जिसको हम बोलते हैं पार। इसकी यूनिट क्या है? आइंस्टीन। ओके, and next question is crop suitable under heavy texture soil is option A rice, option B coriander, option C cotton, and the right option is D rice, coriander, cotton को हम heavy texture soil के अंदर ग्रो कर सकते हैं। नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन इज हार्वेस्ट इंडेक्स जो टर्म है वो किसने दी थी? वाटसन, डोनाल्ड, ब्लैकमैन एंड ग्रेगरी। द राइट ऑप्शन इज बी डोनाल्ड। The next question is capillary and non-capillary pores must be in proportion for good crop growth. Is the right option is C 50-50। कैपिलरी जो पोर्स होते हैं उनके अंदर वाटर अवेलेबल होता है क्रॉप्स के लिए, उन्हीं पोर्स से प्लांट क्या करता है? वाटर अब्जॉर्ब करता है। नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन है सनफ्लावर इज हैविंग प्रॉब्लम इन कल्टीवेशन इन इंडिया बिकॉज ऑप्शन ए पुअर सीड फिलिंग, ऑप्शन बी मोर बर्ड्स डैमेज, ऑप्शन सी ऑयल बिकम bitter within 90 days of harvest. The option C is the right option. The next question is conversion of nitrate to nitrite is influenced by the enzyme is nitrate reductase is the right option. The next question is simplest, cheapest and common method of sugarcane planting is ridge method, planting in flat beds, option C trench method and option D all of the above. The right answer is planting in flat beds. The next question is crop used for determining permanent wilting point under field condition, FIELD. Field condition is option A rice, option B sunflower, option C maize, option D pearl millet. The right option is B sunflower. The next question is mulches are advantageous under dryland conditions since option A control soil temperature, option B improve infiltration, option C reducing runoff, option D is the right option. Next question is example of leaf reflectant type of anti-transparent Silite, option B kaolin and option C both A and B. The right option is C. The next question is watershed aims to first option increasing productivity, option B economic profitability of a farm, option C soil water conservation and option D all of the above. ये क्या है? राइट आंसर है, क्योंकि जो वाटरशेड है वो प्रोडक्टिविटी को इंक्रीज करता है, फार्म की प्रॉफिटेबिलिटी को, और जितनी भी इकोनॉमिक नेट बेनिफिट है उसको इंक्रीज करेगा, और सोयल और वाटर का क्या करेगा? कंजर्वेशन करेगा। नेक्स्ट है ट्रैप क्रॉप फॉर ओरोबंकी वीड इज ऑप्शन ए चिलीज, ऑप्शन सी बी सनहम, ऑप्शन सी लिनसीड, ऑप्शन डी ऑल ऑफ दीज। The right option is D. Next question is major constant for adoption of intercropping system in rain-fed areas. Option A preference of domestic consumption and low prices of intercrops. ये भी बिल्कुल right है। dependence of fodder in cereals and lack of sowing equipment and higher labor cost. The right option is D. Next question is, agronomic measures of soil and water conservation is possible only when the slope is up to, the right option is 2, only 2%. Next, harvest index is low for oilseed crops, cereals, the right option is C, pulses के लिए. The next question is, which variety of rice is called miracle? Is the Jaya. Jaya variety की yield potentiality क्या है? ज़्यादा है, जिसकी वजह से इसको नाम दिया गया miracle of rice. The next question is, hormone which is related to drought tolerance is ethylene, abscisic acid, auxin, cytokinin. The right option is B, is the abscisic acid. The next question is, predominant cotton species grown in India is Gossypium barbadense, B. Gossypium hirsutum, C. Gossypium arboreum. The right option is B. Gossypium hirsutum. The next question is, embryo of seed secrete the enzyme which induce germination process is. The right option is gibberellin. Next question is, which of the operation is specially followed in chickpea? Is the nipping. Nipping is the right answer. The next question is, during milling, which part of paddy is removed? Is aileron layer? Option B, embryo. Option C, both A and B. The right option is C. जब माइलिंग प्रोसेस होती है तो उस टाइम पे एल्यूरोन लेयर और एम्ब्रियो क्या हो जाता है? रिमूव हो जाता है, सेपरेट हो जाता है. किससे? एंडोस्पर्म से. नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन है, राइजोबियम स्पीसीज, जो राइजोबियम बैक्टीरिया है वो क्या करता है? सिम्बायोसिस एसोसिएशन करता है किसके साथ? लेग्यूम क्रॉप्स के साथ. तो अगर राइजोबियम स्पीसीज का ट्रीटमेंट करते हैं, सीड ट्रीटमेंट करते हैं बरसिम के सीड के साथ, तो वो कौन सा है? ट्राइफोली. ठीक है. द क्वेश्चन इज, पैरासाइट एसोसिएटेड विद ल्यूसन इज ओरोबंकी, कस्कट्टा, लोरेंथस एंड स्ट्राइगा. द राइट ऑप्शन इज कस्कट्टा. The next question is, intermittent on and off system is followed in which type of irrigation method? Option A, flat bed. Option B, surge irrigation method. The next question is, severe drought causes the production of plant hormone is the signal of closure of stomata. Option A, indole acetic acid. Option B, ABA, abscisic acid, and option C, naphthalene acetic acid. Option D, gibberellin. The right option is B, abscisic acid. The next question is, ammonium chloride is not recommended for the crop potato. The next question is, acceptable limit of biuret to the most of the crop is only 2%. The next question is, sugar found in germinating seed in large amount is option D is the right answer, is the maltose. Next question is, crops suitable for resisting erosion in contour strip cropping is option A, moth bean. Option B, groundnut. Option C, both A and B. Option D, none of these. The right option is C. moth bean और groundnut क्या करती हैं? इरोजन को रोकती हैं और इनको एज ए रेजिस्टिंग क्रॉप यूज किया जाता है फॉर द प्रिवेंशन ऑफ soil erosion. The next question is, which is in situ moisture conservation measure is graded furrows, dead furrows and ridge. The right option is D. ग्रेडेड फरोज, डेड फरोज और रिज को हम कैसे यूज करते हैं सोयल मॉइस्चर कंजर्वेशन के लिए। द नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन इज विच इज द टोटल रूट पैरासाइट। ऑप्शन ए स्ट्राइगा, ऑप्शन बी ओरोबंकी, ऑप्शन सी बोथ ए एंड बी एंड ऑप्शन डी नन ऑफ दीज। द राइट ऑप्शन इज बी। ओरोबंकी क्या है? टोटल रूट parasite. Okay. Next, possible reason for seed dormancy is immature embryo, option A, option B, presence of pathogens, option C, cracking of hulls and option D, green distortion. The option A is the right answer. Immature embryo is the reason for seed dormancy. थैंक यू दोस्तों, कल फिर मिलते हैं 100 क्वेश्चन के साथ फ्रॉम डिफरेंट सब्जेक्ट्स फॉर द प्रिपरेशन ऑफ नेशनल सीड कॉर्पोरेशन एग्जाम के लिए, ताकि हम उसको क्या कर सकें, क्रैक कर सकें। ओके, गुड लक, मिलते हैं नेक्स्ट क्लास में।